This is noise pollution on the guitar. Na 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 na. I'm extremely superstitious, though I mock people's religions, and I base most of my decisions off something that's probably fake. And yes, I can admit that I'm a contradicting dingbat, but these things that I believe in keep me sane for insanity's sake. Well, I tell myself that everything, like all the shit that life can bring, and all the things that piss me off all happen for a reason. Like when I got put on the books, I got caught for that shit I took. It's a terrible feeling I get each year at the turning of the seasons. I swear that my outlook on being, well, it's just as fucked as claiming seeing Jesus Christ transforming water into Chardonnay. I just like to keep on thinking, whoa, all the shit that keeps life stinking. Well, it also keeps me from making those irrational decisions that make me fade away. So far it's working, I'm alive, so I couldn't care to whom I'm compared. This is how I survive. Things are much better now that I'm alive, so I couldn't care to whom I'm compared because I'm alive. Oh, I'm alive and I'm free from all these hateful assholes with no creativity. Just be yourself and fuck everyone else, except the ones who love you for being yourself, and they couldn't care less about anything else. They love you good and they always will, cause there's nothing that you could ever spill to them that would make them love you any less. Even if you stink, got no job and you're penniless, because if you've got friends like that, you're fucking blessed.